Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the essential prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Pick your stack, React Native or Flutter, and initialize the repo with linting and CI. Create a minimal data model for articles, authors, timestamps, and user prefs. Once done, register for a news API or build an RSS aggregator and secure an API key. Make sure to configure environment secrets. Scaffold the app shell, routes, and a basic list view so you have a live surface to iterate on immediately. Now you dive into the complex middlework. Implement the article list with pagination, caching, and offline read status so users stay engaged. Integrate search and filters, then add personalization by recording clicks and preferences to rank content. Set up saved article sync across devices with authenticated user sessions. Next, wire push notifications for breaking news and implement server-side rate limit handling and logging. Throughout, add observability so you can spot slow endpoints and tune performance as usage grows. Finish by polishing UX, accessibility, localization, and crisp transitions. Prepare App Store metadata and analytics. Deploy the backend with auto-scaling, a CDN for images, HTTPS, and secret management. Run smoke tests and set up rollback. Once live, monitor retention and error rates and iterate on feed relevance. If things go wrong, first check API quotas and token expiry, then examine cores and server logs. Often the issue is rate limits or expired keys, so rotate credentials and rerun failing requests to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.